I bet you spam the out of lateral raises in hopes that you'll get bigger shoulders. But then the next day, you blame it on bad genetics. Don't be a You are simply training your shoulders wrong. I'll show you the real reason your shoulders aren't growing and the exact fix you can use today to get wider shoulders fast. So sit back and lock the in, yeah? Most guys think that training shoulders means just lifting weights until your arms fall off. Wrong. Your shoulders aren't growing because you're not training the actual muscle that creates width, the lateral delts. These tiny, pancake-sized muscles on the side of your shoulder are responsible for like 80% of how wide you look, and many beginners never hit them properly. Most guys make these common mistakes: swinging their arms like a fish out of water, using way too much weight, not controlling the bottom half of the rep, and using the wrong angle. Let's fix these mistakes and get huge in the process. Step 1. The perfect lateral raise setup. Chest up, elbows slightly bent, hands holding the dumbbells. Raise your arms slightly forward, not directly to the side. Think pour the jug at the top, slight inward rotation. This engages all 3 heads of the lateral delt. Step 2. The 3-second negative. Control the weight down for 2 to 3 seconds on the negative. That slow lowering phase is where the muscle fibers stretch and grow. Step 3. The rep scheme for fast growth. Here's what you need to do. 12 to 15 reps for high tension, 4 sets, 2 to 3 times per week, 30 to 45 seconds rest. Lightweight, slow tempo. Step 4. Trying variations. Once you've mastered standing lateral raises, try leaning away from the weight with a cable and D-handle. Set up the cable and attachment at the bottom, then lean your upper body away from the machine. Do the same rep scheme as mentioned before, and thank me later. If you don't like this variation, then try seated lateral raises for more control. It will eliminate cheating completely. So now you know why your shoulders haven't been growing and exactly how to fix that. You need to master the lateral raise technique I have shown you and do the appropriate sets and reps to get huge. Don't train your ego, train your delts. What muscle or exercise would you like me to target next? Leave a comment and I'll make it happen. But for now, hit subscribe like right the now and go get into the gym.